tell you something. If they feel like you gonna be bigger than them, they not gonna help you. I'm letting you know right now, sometimes your family can help you. Sometimes your friends can help you. Sometimes your loved ones can help you. All you need is a little push. But the problem is...
Bent your fucking bumper, dumbass.
Compton know that I'm rap. They all know that's my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. Compton know that I rap. They all know that's my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. The first shit that I dropped pop. Shit knocked, I was 17 with a fat knot. I was getting green, had a Philippine with a fat cock, had shit locked. I was still in the same.
Show your magic trick. In about 2.3 seconds, it's gonna be taped out and we'll be sanding on it. Watch. Niggas get out too far. God shit. What the?
That's that solo rapper gang right here.
Look at him, all by himself.
Don't need nobody.
Well, nigga, hurry up back to work, nigga. Stop playing. Shit, you can't have my boy out here by himself, but I know.
Right here, spitting the cheeks real quick.
Look at that. Contour. Damn. That's what you girls do when y'all beat your face, ain't it, contour? There you go, see? Same thing, look at that curve. Ooh, she thick. Look at it. Ooh, sharp line.
Fix this up. Just gotta glass it out real quick.
Finesse it, get it hot, stretch it out, get it all in. Ooh, look at that, cohesive.
That body line was not there 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, you look at that line. Oh, pop. And did you notice how the rap make it seems like it make the lines pop even more?
It does. Matt does. Matt Metallic. Dude, it's crazy, man. Like, what was I gonna say? Usually, like, what I learned over the years when I was first starting to rap cars, it looked so easy rapping cars. And then when I first started like rapping it, it's like everything looked so easy on camera until when you first start doing it, you're like, damn, this shit's actually kind of hard. Like, you make things look easy. Like what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, if you do it a long time, it gets easier, but it's not easy at all.
Like what I'm doing now, like this probably would have taken me like probably taken me all day just to cut the piece and lay it down. Now, like, look, I've already taken all of the air out in this whole section. Like,
and now you're just going to the top now. Shit.
Now I'm already on the top.
Me, I'd have been stressed out. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Man, imagine how, see, people don't even get the fact that, like, paint shop, they like, oh, well, I can get my car painted. Okay. You can't get your car painted in 3 days.
I mean,
you can't get your car painted in 3 days. Like, I swear.
No.
It's not gonna happen in 3 days. It's not gonna happen.
But honestly, I think paint is easier. Like laying the paint down is easier because you're just spraying. But the hard part is sanding it, making it smooth.
Prepping and all that. Yeah,
right?
that's the difficult part.
That's the difficult part. The cool part about rap, it's easier because you don't have to do all that sanding and paint work.
Because you're already working with clean smooth
paint, yeah, for the most part. But the hard part is laying it down, getting all these wrinkles out, taking the air out. And then the worst part, this is easy, bro. The cuts. Doing the cuts and tucking the wrap into the seals, that's when it gets hard. Like you gotta be careful with cutting seals, you gotta be careful with the wrap not going far enough and showing a little bit of white, like because this car's white obviously. Like stuff like that. With paint, you don't have to worry about that. You're just painting it and you're done, you know? That's why rap is labor intensive, like cost wise basically. But yeah. It's like small stuff like that. So this panel is done. After that, I just need to open the door, tuck it in, and then cut it with a knifeless tape. They didn't see it on camera, but it was this one. So you could like make a design, whatever it is, wrap on top, pull the string, and it cuts it. It's pretty cool.
Okay, yeah, and see, he didn't use it as like I've seen a lot of people do. They end up going right in the seams to put it over there, leave it there, so they and they put a little glue on it to keep the sides kicked in and stuck together.
Yeah.
He didn't use it for that. He did not cheat. I'm sorry. I've been watching the videos. I see the dudes doing that stupid shit, they use that same tape and then they get some super glue and try to bead the edges to hold the edges on the side.
Oh yeah, I don't do that.
Yeah, I already know. I see what you do.
see.
That's why you see me come back like a little kid trying to stare at this. And look at that. He's like almost freaking finished. And I'm not gonna let him give out too much proprietary. I'm only gonna give y'all a little bit. I'm gonna cut this in pieces. Just know. I might keep this, what I'm saying to you in there longer than I keep what he's doing, because I don't want y'all trying to complain, oh, he didn't do this, or he did this. Like, I don't know that weird shit.
You can show everything, because the way I do stuff, I mean, when it comes to wrapping cars, there's a million ways to do the same thing. It all has, like, you can do a million things the same way, as long as the end results are there, which I assure you, when I do my stuff, my end results are there, man. So.
And you didn't even have to heat this.
Nope, it's pretty hot out, so you don't need it. The only thing right here, I don't know if you see this, I like to stretch it a little bit. So when I let go, like if you focus on top, look, so look, it'll kind of like, I'll heat it up and watch, you'll see it shrink.
That's dope.
So see it from there, you should see it shrink. See it. I don't know if you were able to tell or not, but it should have, like, it helps contour.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I saw it grab it.
Let me see. I think that's the best about that fish one. But yeah, small stuff. Take the air out.
Now see right there, that would have stressed me out right here. This right here would have stressed me out. Not even gonna lie, that would have stressed me the fuck out.
Yes?
Look at that bubble. I would have been like, oh, let me get it. Now here's a question I got. Okay, that stuff that clear bra. I hear that is stressful.
That's very stressful. It's like you're squeegeeing the air out. It's easy. It's dry. The glue sticks. Versus when it's wet, like let's say you can take the air out of the flat surfaces. That's easy. But when you get to the edges, you're just taking the water out forever and ever. Like it feels like the edges aren't sticking. So you have to have like little methods to dry it out. A lot of people throw alcohol in it towards the edges, and then they clean it with a towel because the alcohol.
The alcohol evaporates. And then, okay,
exactly. Yeah. So there's like little small tricks to it, but at the end of the day, it's annoying because you're dealing with water, and then water and glue. If you think about it, they don't mix.
Yeah.
You need it to be dry for it to stick. So I don't know, that I haven't gotten into just yet, but I will, and I know once I do, I'll get the hang of it really quickly because I already know how to wrap. This thing I need to learn how to take the water out.
Oh, and ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, he's going to be doing moving on to tinting as well. So you know, you come in here, you can one-stop shop this thing right now.
Sir.
And he's going to get to find his tint films that you can possibly find.
Let me see.
He's not going to use the cheap stuff. Now it's about 1,000 different companies that you could use, but he's going for the top. He's going to top tier because he don't want to give anybody inferior product.
Of course. So you're here wrapping your car. Like this guy, let's see, he doesn't have, his things are kind of old, I think, maybe. Let's see, it's hard to tell, but they do look a little brown. It's hard to tell off camera. But either way, like his front window's not tinted. I could have offered him like a tint for the window in the front. Yeah. Like maybe like 50%, so a little bit of light doesn't go through, or even just the clear. There's a new tint that's clear, like it's literally clear. No light goes, like it doesn't block any type of light, but it has UV blockers. It'll block like I think it's 90% of light that comes in, but it's clear. Like literally, you could run the fishbowl, but sun will not go through the tint.
Oh shit! I need that for Herbie Amber.
Yeah, and it's not even black, but the only thing is expensive.
It's expensive, but yeah.
But I mean.
You know, I used to love color tint. I don't know why they got rid of that.
Oh, like blue ones and like red ones?
Yeah, I used to freaking love it.
The Mercedes tint is really nice. I like the Mercedes tint.
I used to love it. It was like, that was a trend in my day.
The red one?
No, the whatever color. So like, I had green tint on my car. It was green.
Yeah, I remember all that stuff too.
Yeah, with the JDM thing, the old school JDM. Well, we were like, I think like wave 2. Because it was the original ones that had the pre-EGs and all that. And then, yeah.
What do you mean?
The Civics.
Okay.
Before Lexus came and just spoiled all our dreams.
Lexus
and even Honda came and took away our dreams and created the S2000. And just.
Oh yeah, the S2000.
Yeah.
Which one did you like the most? Hondas or which ones?
You know what? I enjoyed Hondas.
Yeah.
But I noticed that all the kids that were riding in like Subarus and Toyotas are having a little bit more fun than me.
Yeah.
Cause it, like, you know, like we have our higher ups, which is Acura, which it was like, you know, like a little slightly faster than Civic.
Civic, yeah.
Yeah, a VTEC Civic. So it was like whatever. Then when you got the Accord, like you got your auntie car. That's not even a young kid's car. So then when they came up with those other ones, they were like.
I think the only cool Acura that ever came out was like obviously the NSX.
Oh yeah, of course.
And then what are the TLs? A lot of people like the TLs when those came out.
Oh, the SUV one?
No, the Acura TL. It's like the sedan.
It was the yeah. Oh, the luxury one. They had the coupe and the Ford. No, it was only a coupe, right?
That I don't know. I'm not too sure.
So I think one of my friends had that one, if I'm not mistaken.
Here, I'm just gonna try to figure it out. If I mess up on camera, just
Because I kept getting pulled over in my car so much that the only resort left I had was riding a bicycle.
Ride a fucking bike.
But you have to put 14 lights on it and then you put the lights on, you still get pulled over. Thank you. What are you doing? We got a call that people been stealing stuff right on a bicycle. I just left work. Matter of fact, look, 1 building, 2 buildings, right here. I'm 2 buildings away when you pulled me over.
Like you saw me coming out of putting my stuff away, you know? You saw me putting my stuff away, and you still pulled me over. Damn.
Yeah, you know what you did. We know you did something. So you ain't got no felonies, warrants. That's actually stupid as shit.
Have you ever been pulled over like that before?
Man, I've had every kind of pullover there is, except the ones that are fatal. You know what I'm saying? Like and I've seen some that almost felt that they could have went that way, and I was really scared.
They pulled you over though, like to ask you, like.
They always like if I have a nice car, like I had a Honda Civic.
Are you serious?
And they asked me like, how can you afford it? I was like, this is a $14,000 car. Yeah. This is not a Lamborghini. This is not a Ferrari. This is not the new S2000 just came out.
Bro, I feel bad, man. I've only been pulled over because I've actually done shit like speeding and like what else did I do? One time speeding, the other time fucking again swerving through cars trying to cut through traffic. Excuse me, no way I pulled you over. And, like speeding, like that's it.
Okay, let me tell you how fucked up my shit is. I'm gonna give y'all a quick story. 2 story times. One time I got I got pulled over for modified exhaust. But the only thing I did is bought a chrome tip for my muffler, so to look cute. Like, so, you know, like the exhaust look like the tip. Yeah. Because that's what they used to do on the pea shooters. You know, you had a little pipe, little accent. And I got a modified exhaust ticket. The judge threw it out. Then the next time I got a ticket for speeding, I was going 62 in the 40, right, on the spare tire. And I was like, bro, I just put it on, and at the time I had, you know, the spares was super, that little baby spare is really small, and I had 18-inch rims on it. So my car like was kind of tilted a little bit. Yeah. And he was like, you were doing 60. I was like, there's no way I was doing 60. Because I am afraid right now driving this car because it feels uncomfortable, and I didn't even get on the freeway, so I had to drive the street. And I told him, I was like, my hands still had the dirt from when I was changing the tire. Yeah. And I was like,
what they say, to let you go or what?
Yeah, I know I got a ticket. I had to go to court for that bullshit. After a while, I was like, man, I'm tired of driving. I got tired of driving. I just like, you know what?
I get a bike.
Like, I was gonna get a bike. Then I started getting pulled over again. I was like, oh shit.
You ran that stop sign with your bike.
Yeah, you was speeding. What the fuck? How did you
skate? I got you going 50 on your bike.
I was just like, you know what? Fuck it. I think I'm just gonna stay in the house. We just go to work. Yeah. Stay in the house. Go to work, stay in the house.
You gotta fucking Uber to work. They pull your ass over for Ubering, like, they give you a ticket as a passenger. You know.
Yeah, I seen somebody get some shit like that recently. Like a dude really got it, like pulled out the car and got his ass whooped. Yeah. As a passenger in Uber. Damn. Like, see, like people don't understand. Like black dude 20s, I don't know how we get through. Like our even Latinos, I don't even know how we got through the 20s. Like being in your 20s, it was like. Black dudes more, because the darker you are, the more they like, you up to something. You sure you not up to something? And they like ask you as if they want you to confess something.
Have you seen that video? It was like the newest video is like on Instagram, like, yeah, if you ever get pulled over, just have this coffee, the Starbucks cup, be like, you know why I pulled you over? You know, sip on your latte, you know, like, You know, officer, I don't know. And like something like that. You know that little.
Oh, I think I see the white dude.
This black guy, this black guy with his black friends. You know, like just give him this coffee, and all of a sudden he looked innocent. You know, like he's just passing around the Starbucks.
Oh shit, that's what.
And you haven't seen that?
No, I got shit. I'm trying to figure out if that might work.
I'm about to show you this.
I'm gonna have to figure out that if that worked, man. I'm so definitely buying Starbucks. Keep it right there. I don't know. Oh shit.
There it is.
Starbucks is, every brother should have a cup of Starbucks in their hand.
Oh, Godfrey.
Please leave you alone and have a latte. If you hold it, brother, hold that. Look how safe he looks. Give it to the other brother.
Look how safe he
Look how safe he looks.
How innocent.
Give it to the other brother. Look, he looks like a thug with that fucking latte. Look how safe he looks. So brothers, black men out there, get yourself a latte. Because when you do your lips like this, the cops leave you the fuck alone. I'm sorry, officer, was I aggressive?
Hey, you know what? I probably will do it. You gotta give me a lot.
Brother?
I used to just like clickbait. And then for some reason YouTube was being dicks. It took like, I thought I was gonna be catching you pulling out.
Oh yeah, it's a little busy today.
Look, yeah, I can tell. Oh, y'all straightened up and everything.
Yeah, man.
Damn, work.
Sure.
You out here working. Okay. Hey, you know I presented him with a challenge. Wanna know what the challenge is?
What is it?
I'm gonna have him. I'm gonna see if he can do it two cars in one day. I was telling him about the challenge.
Challenge. Oh, the challenge is 2 cars one day?
Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah.
Big heat, who trippin'? Brown skin style, Serena Williams, I need a gold medal. Jesse Owens running laps in it like I'm wearing Pro Fit. Free smoke. Free smoke. Free smoke. Look, big bag, we smoke. Look, big bag, need boats. Y'all shit. 40 loaded, I'm a locksmith. Looking in the fridge, we ain't got shit. In the house quick, locksmith. Really was flocking. Me with it, took a case on the chin, ain't no talking, we walking. I got 21 savages. They ain't trying to see the red hots. They ain't trying to meet the red ops. 8 ball with the red dot. That's a 38 with the beam on it. Switching teams on us. Catch a nigga, let him lean on it. Playing lean on me with the big homies trying to scheme on them. Shit, I'm sliding in the plane, Jane.